southern town. The local merchants, they don't know what to say. Rumor has it that there's little children on the grounds, and there's a man in there leading them astray. Well, the people from the government, I guess they had to act. The man upstairs gave him his okay. The militants in arms planned a swift attack. The media brought us up to date. Big headlines said it's raining fire down in Texas. The smoke is rising in the sky. The night's all red, looks like everybody's dead. Tomorrow's gonna look alright. The smoke is rising in the sky. The night's all red, looks like everybody's dead. Tomorrow's gonna look alright. Well, it's so easy to twist the truth that's written, but it's hard for some to believe. There's a serpent out there, once you've been bitten by him, it's very hard for you to leave. It's raining fire down in Texas. The smoke is rising in the sky. The night's all red and David is dead. Tomorrow's gonna look alright. Whoa, whoa, oh Lord, it's raining fire down in Texas. The smoke